What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to go over how to enable Apple Pay on your Stripe order forms, where basically you have your payment processor is Stripe inside your HighLevel account, and you want to have the Apple Pay option for your clients or leads on your order form. So as you can see here, I have an order form right here, and I do not have Apple Pay, and my payment processor is Stripe, right? So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to your HighLevel account, okay? And you should already have Stripe connected, and this is mainly for Stripe, by the way, because they have the easiest process. But you connect your Stripe here, then you're going to go over here to the right-hand side where it says Manage, and in here we are going to, as you can see here, register domain for Apple Pay and link. You're going to click on the little toggle icon. It's going to say register domains for Apple Pay. Click on yes, confirm. Once you do that, you're going to click on the little refresh here, and it should register your domain automatically. So now let's go back to that order form that I have here inside my HighLevel account. Let's click on that little refresh button, and you're going to see here, let's see, here we have link already. Perfect. Let's see if my Apple Pay comes together. Sometimes it does take some time. Let's come back over here, click on a little refresh. Okay, so I just figured out that because I'm on my Mac desktop, right, and I don't have that magic keyboard with the fingerprint or the Face ID functionality, it actually does not show up here on the desktop Apple Pay, but on my actual phone, it does show up already as Apple Pay enabled. So let me just show you this really quick, guys. Let me actually share my phone screen here, and as you can see, in here, I do have the Apple Pay function already, and that is how you get it done from start to finish, okay? So yeah, very, very important. When you do have this enabled already, you're going to only able to see it wherever you have a magic keyboard that, either fingerprint option or the Face ID option. So that's why on the desktop I did not see it. But as you can see here on my mobile phone, Apple Pay is already enabled, and that is how it is done. All right, guys, so hope you loved this video. If you did, smash that like button, and then down below in the comments, if you do have any questions for me, let me know in regards to HighLevel. I'm going to be pushing out a lot of HighLevel tutorials from top to bottom, so stay tuned. And other than that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.